Breaking trust. Understanding the phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very important and common phrase in the English language. Break trust. Understanding this phrase is key in both personal and professional contexts. Let's dive in and unravel its meaning and usage. Break trust is a phrase used to describe the act of destroying the confidence or belief someone has in another person. This usually happens when someone does something against the expectations or agreement they had with another. It's like breaking an invisible bond of reliability and honesty. To understand this better, let's look at some examples. If a friend shares a secret with you and you tell someone else, you break their trust. In a work environment, if an employee shares confidential information without permission, they break trust with their employer. Breaking trust can have serious repercussions. It can lead to loss of relationships, reputation damage, and a decrease in opportunities. Trust is hard to build but easy to break, and once broken, it's very difficult to regain. To avoid breaking trust. 1. Be honest and upfront. 2. Keep your promises. 3. Respect the confidentiality and privacy of others. 4. Communicate openly to avoid misunderstandings. If you've broken someone's trust. 1. Apologize sincerely. 2. Take responsibility for your actions. 3. Show that you're committed to change. 4. Rebuild trust gradually with consistent actions. Understanding and respecting the concept of trust is crucial in all aspects of life. We hope this video helps you comprehend what it means to break trust and how to navigate these situations. Remember, trust is a delicate and valuable aspect of relationships. Take care of it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.